In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a pipeline in Zoho CRM, and by the end of the session, you'll also know how to add a funnel component to your dashboard. First, you'll need to head over to Zoho CRM and log into your account. Now, if you're new here, Zoho CRM is an online customer relationship management software for managing your sales, marketing, and support functions. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a setup icon, also known as the gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. As you navigate through the setup page, hover down until you find the customization section. You'll see a tab labeled Pipelines. Click on it and you'll be taken to the pipeline management page. Now let's create a new pipeline. You'll notice an option to create new pipeline. Clicking this will open up a new window for you to begin customizing your pipeline. The pipeline is a powerful feature that helps you visually manage your sales process. Type in the name of your new pipeline. This is important as it allows you to easily identify and differentiate between various pipelines you might create in the future. Once you've named your pipeline, you need to decide on a layout. Selecting a layout is crucial as it determines how your data will be displayed and organized, impacting how seamlessly you can manage your workflow. Next, you'll add stages to your pipeline. Stages represent the different steps in your sales process and must be set up correctly for an efficient CRM system. Think of the common stages in your sales process and ensure each is reflected here. If you want this new pipeline to be your default, you can check the option to set it as default before moving on. This can save you time in the long run, especially if this is your primary workflow. Finally, click on Save and Done to finalize your pipeline setup. Now let's switch gears and focus on adding a funnel component to your Zoho CRM dashboard. Go over to the Analytics section where you manage your data insights and visual representations. Once there, you'll notice an option to Add Component. Click on that and you'll see a list of features you can add to enhance your data analysis. Choose the funnel option. After selecting the funnel, you'll need to choose a funnel style. The style you pick dictates how your sales data will be visually represented, so choose one that best suits your reporting needs. Give the funnel component a name. This label helps in quickly identifying it later, especially if you decide to add more components in the future. If there are specific details associated with this funnel, you have the option to add those details at this stage. Review everything and finally click Save to add your new component to the dashboard. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a pipeline and added a funnel component to Zoho CRM. This process should streamline your sales management and bring clarity to your overall workflow.